Exploring the world of Helpdesks, a complete guide. A robust helpdesk system is essential to operational excellence and customer satisfaction in today's fast-paced business landscape. Internally, it swiftly resolves technical challenges, fostering a productive and adaptable workforce. Externally, the helpdesk cultivates customer loyalty by delivering rapid and responsive solutions. But a helpdesk's performance relies on critical factors like rapid response times and multi-channel accessibility. By synergizing these elements, organizations can create a helpdesk that resolves issues and proactively enhances support. What exactly is a helpdesk? It's a centralized point of contact that assists employees and customers. Its central objective? To facilitate timely and effective problem resolution, fostering customer satisfaction and internal efficiency. Why is a helpdesk needed? Firstly, for efficient issue resolution. Organizations often grapple with technical disruptions. A helpdesk acts as a rapid response unit, swiftly diagnosing and resolving problems. Secondly, for customer satisfaction. A timely and empathetic response from a helpdesk fosters trust, transforming customers into loyal ones. Thirdly, for knowledge centralization. A well-structured helpdesk offers a repository of insights, empowering users and agents with self-help resources. Lastly, for data-driven decision-making. Helpdesk data provides metrics that empower organizations to identify trends and make informed decisions. Various helpdesks, like internal, external, remote, and specialized, cater to unique needs. Specialized helpdesks offer domain-specific expertise for industries like healthcare and finance. The key characteristics of an effective helpdesk include prompt response time, multi-channel support, knowledge management, skilled agents, a ticketing system, continuous improvement, and personalization. In conclusion, a helpdesk is the heart of customer service and operational efficiency. Organizations can pave the way for success in today's dynamic landscape by understanding its importance, types, and characteristics. Please read our full blog, Exploring the World of Helpdesks, a complete guide at Infraon blogs.